Today I'm going to talk about why you don't need a lawyer involved in your insurance claim, and then also maybe when would you need a lawyer involved in your insurance claim. So let's start off first with why you don't. So the reason that you don't is because one is the insurance claim process typically goes a lot faster and a lot smoother if an attorney is not involved. Once you get an attorney involved, the insurance company can no longer talk to you. They have to talk with the attorney. So you think about the process there. So then the insurance company talks to the attorney. The attorney then schedules an appointment with you for this week, next week, maybe the week after, because they're very busy. Then they discuss with you what they need to do next, decide. Then they schedule an appointment with the adjuster sometime in the next few days to a week, and then they discuss it with them. And then they keep on going back and forth till they finally get a resolution, adding weeks, if not months, to the entire claim process. Another reason is the lawyer is going to get part of your money. They don't work for free. They've got to get paid somehow, and typically it's from the claim payment. So that claim payment that would be paid to you is going to be diminished by that claim. And then if you have some sort of a claim such as comprehensive or collision, where either you just wrecked your car or you had something happen to your car, the insurance policy is not going to pay more than it's going to cost to fix your car anyway. And then secondly, there's not an attorney that's going to wind up taking that claim to begin with, because there's not enough money in there to pay them. Your expectation is that the insurance company is going to pay them for their services instead of you. So that's the reasons why you don't want to involve them. So when would you need an attorney involved in your claim process? Typically you're going to need one once you have a liability claim. Now, a liability claim is whenever you have been hurt, injured, or you've had property damage by someone else. That's a liability claim. They are responsible for what has happened to you, and you suffered some sort of loss as either like property damage or you've been injured in some way. First, allow the insurance company to try to take care of the claim for you. If for some reason they're just not communicating with you, or whoever the other party is that caused the injury or the damages, if they're not participating, they're not responding to their insurance company or your insurance company, then that's when you need to get an attorney involved in that sort of scenario. But typically you just don't need one. Typically the process is very smooth. Look, I've been doing this for 31 years and it has been rare, maybe 3% of the time, where an attorney really needed to be involved. Otherwise, if an attorney got involved, it just slowed down the process, reduced the amount of claim money that our insured received, and just made it a big mess. And instead of it being something that could be settled inside of a few weeks to a month, it became something that was drug out for months upon end, if not potentially even years. So this is whenever you could either why you don't need an attorney, or also maybe when you would need an attorney. Hope this helps you to understand about the claims process and about these different scenarios. I'm Beaux Pilgrim with Beaux Knows Insurance. Thanks for watching.